Okay, so para ma-ensure natin yung transmitter at receiver ng radars natin, no? As per SOLAS, before sailing and at least every 4 hours, no? During underway, titest tayo ng PM test or performance monitoring. Okay, so menu, echo, then PM, set to on lang. Okay. Then lalabas na yung arc dyan. So ito yung arc. So check natin niya kung ilan yung range niya. As per manual natin, dapat mag-range siya ng 12 to 70 nautical miles. So dapat dyan yung range niya para pasok siya, no? So ito yung range ng arc. So 14.7. So ibig sabihin okay tayo. Finito la komedya. Off na natin. Start off lang. Off. Okay, back to normal na siya. Alright. Let's go.